Over the last few years, Android smartphones have seen drastic upgrades in photography, storage, and processing power. Now the best Android smartphones come within the good price segment with flagship-grade performance. But your smartphone can only perform according to its potential if paired with the best Android apps. Additionally, our dependence on Android utility apps, health apps, video conferencing apps, and others has only increased from last year due to the strict lockdowns imposed amid the COVID-19 pandemic. So, with some must-have Android apps, your smartphone can prove to be even better than a full-sized laptop or desktops in terms of productivity and general usage. As a user, you can download apps for graphic designing, apps for watching online video content, odd apps, or for gaming leisurely. But if you have just started using an Android smartphone, this may seem challenging at first. That is why I have compiled a list of the most useful Android apps that you can use during your daily routine to complete various tasks. There are multiple ways to translate a text in Google Translator, be it a picture of your handwriting. Google Translate can be used in any text format. It supports 108 languages, making it easy for you to know different words. Also, you can actually talk with Google Translate like a real person and it will help you out. For signs, menus, etc., point your camera and get an instant translation. If you want to be bilingual, then Google Translator is a must-have app for you. Checking Reddit is like reading a real newspaper, except that Reddit is timely, interactive, participatory. It works because people submit links to Reddit and other people vote their links up or down. It's a simple-to-use app that contains a list of the best stuff that people are reading or watching on the internet right now. The difference between Google and Reddit is that Google is where you search for things, but Reddit is where you go to see the things people have found. But Reddit is not just a list of stuff. There are fractals with sections called subreddits. There are separate subreddits: programming, politics, sports, world news, funny images, and many more. All your stuff, work or play, is in one place with Google Drive because you can access your files from anywhere with Google Drive's free cloud storage service. The benefits of storing files on Google Drive are that your files are backed up with a fast searching engine, and you can share and collaborate with others easily. With a 15 GB storage space, you can upload big files on Google Drive and delete them from your local storage to have a more organized experience on your Android device. An AI-powered virtual assistant developed by Google. It was made to make life easier and do loads of stuff like setting a timer or telling you what's on the local cinema. One of the easiest ways to interact with Google Assistant is with your voice. It's been trained to understand more than 40 languages and several dialects. Google Assistant relies on AI technology such as natural language processing and machine learning to understand what the user is saying and make suggestions, making it a must-have application in your smartphone. It is a remote device manager which lets you wirelessly manage your Android device using your favorite web browser. Besides being a file management system, AirDroid also lets you receive and send messages, download, and manage applications. The most useful thing about AirDroid is that it has the ability to have multiple windows open. Briefly, with the help of AirDroid, you could be listening to music while downloading pictures from your phone to your computer and changing your ringtones at the same time. The free web service allows you to connect all web services, applications, and devices to automate simple tasks. Once you have created an account with IFTTT, the next step will be to connect the services and applications you use in your everyday life. Some of the famous services available on IFTTT are Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Spotify, etc. Once you have connected these services to IFTTT, you will have to create applets that combine two services using a trigger and an action. It is effortless to create applets, and there are thousands of possible combinations that you can create to automate the services you use in your everyday life. Use it to ease your life with automation. Most Android users love the Google experience on Android, but Microsoft apps provide many Utilities to Android users that Google apps don't. The lineup of Microsoft apps has been amazing. On the one hand, apps like Microsoft Launcher, Outlook and OneNote make you more organized. An app like Microsoft Launcher customizes your Android and gives it a fresh look. Microsoft gives you a whole new Android experience by delivering the tools you need to create your best work, especially to increase your productivity. The one app you must find on every Android user's device is YouTube. It was started in February of 2005, and as it has grown, all of the features they've added to the website have also been free. Despite many changes in the app throughout the years, one thing at the forefront of everybody's YouTube experience is interactions. Rating videos, leaving comments, subscribing, making playlists are all things that change YouTube according to your likes and dislikes. Compared to watching a movie on television, YouTube is more interactive and connection-oriented. It's a must-have app on your Android device.